my. You look scary.
All the beans.
Bro.
Wait, yeah, let me see this. Where are you?
Suki looks scary as fuck.
He looks like a cultist of some sort.
Yep, heard.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, my gosh.
No window, just kill him.
Oh shit, no window.
Yeah.
You killed him? Nice!
This camp and the.
Oh shit.
I just, it's just a scav. Wait, someone's above us. Someone's above us.
Oh yeah, I thought I just heard
Yeah,
something.
someone's above us.
How the fuck do you guys hear shit?
Yeah, right?
I've
That's
had
what I'm
them.
wondering, dog.
I'm like, I have my
Oh shit,
shit.
I'm dead.
I'm dead too.
Oh
How the fuck do you guys hear shit?
I said, well, no, I said that I was only playing one. I was
Yeah.
playing Scav.
Yeah. That's what I was hoping you were gonna say.
Alright, man. This is also unnecessary.
Did you get him? I got you.
There's some other shit that You get him? Nope.
Oh no!
You know, take a raid back factory. Pussy. Whoa.
I'm dead. I killed him with a shot.
No! God! No!
Yeah,
But you're also bringing
my
the clock.
Pokemon cards, deal with 9mm bullets.
I use God's Caliber, which is 45
I
ACP.
use God's caliber!
The Bible.
The Bible. It's like the baby, but.
The Bible.
Bro, when is the Bible dropping another drag?
The